Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. Today we're going to take a first look at the Saramonic Blink Me B2.
And Saramonic sent us this for the review.
So what this is a wireless microphone that you can use with your camera or your phone. And it's an all-in-one unit here. You've got these little microphones. They attach to this receiver, and everything is magnetic, which is really neat. So you can there has controls on the screen, or you can put your own stuff on the screen, and you can use them to record sound.
Yeah, and they are wireless, obviously. So, and you can see the the pins here, which allow it to charge. So that's pretty cool. Those are the units. And then this is the part that's kind of cool. It comes with these clips, except the clips are magnetic. So you can put this on put this on your shirt, and then it magnetically attaches the transmitter. Or, which is really cool, if I can get it apart, is it comes with these four magnets, and
Very
look at this,
strong
very
magnets.
strong magnets. And basically, you put this on your shirt, hold it here, and then underneath your shirt, you put this little magnet, and it clamps on, and this is magnetically held onto your shirt, which I think is really kind of a handy little feature. It also comes with a mount, so if you want to mount this on a tripod, you can, with a cold shoe, and then they actually have a cold shoe mount here that comes onto this as well, so you can mount up the camera as well. So that's everything that's in the box. Oh, power cable, USB-C to USB-A, TRS-S, and two dead cats. They're little baby cats.
Little tiny dead cats. I'm not sure where those actually go.
And
a really nice case that everything comes in, with little holders for all your magnets.
Very cool. So that's it.
So that is the Saramonic Blink Me B2, and we'll come back and do our full review. Thank you.